its robust electronics, services, and agriculture exports. Combined with steady overseas remittance and a booming tourism sector, the Philippines has outperformed its regional peers and has emerged one of the fastest growing economies in Asia. Headquartered in Metro Manila, a megalopolis of over 14 million people, Centro Manufacturing Corporation is one of the Philippines' largest truck body builders, offering a perfect blend of superior build quality, advanced technical expertise, and state-of-the-art efficiency, with nurturing strong partnerships with its extensive dealer distribution network, joint venture partners and equipment and parts suppliers.
Our goal is to constantly evolve and manufacture high-quality, high-value products to further improve Filipino productivity and become competitive locally and globally.
Being a major supplier of truck bodies and truck conversions to the Philippine transportation, logistics, and construction sectors, Centro is proud to do its share in nation building, economic growth, and prosperity for the Filipino people.
We are Centro Manufacturing Corporation. We move people, cargo, and commerce.